In this video, we will set up a website in cloudways. We have one web server here. You need to click on the application to see all the websites. Here we have two websites. To host another website, click on the Add Application button. That will show a pop-up. From the drop-down, you need to select the server. If you don't have a server, you have the option to create a new server. In this case, we will select an existing server, then click on Add Application. On this page, select Application drop-down, where you need to select what type of application you will be hosting. You have WordPress, WooCommerce, PHP. This is custom PHP application, Laravel, Magento. If you select WordPress or WooCommerce, it will auto-install WordPress and give you the admin access. In this case, we will be going with a PHP custom application. So select custom PHP. Next, you need to name your application. This is the domain we will be hosting on this server. So put the domain name as the application name. Then select the project. We will select the default value here. If you want, you can create a new project from the project menu. Click on Add Application. Now the application is getting added. This is the server IP. We need to point the domain name to this server IP address. This domain DNS is managed by Cloudflare, so we need to edit the DNS in Cloudflare. This is the Cloudflare DNS management page. This is the error code for the domain name that is pointing to an IP ending with the 58. Click on the edit button, then paste the new IP address here that is ending with the 59. It is the IP address of cloudways server, this IP address. So go back and save here. It will take some time for the DNS propagation. Once it is done, you will see the website from Cloudways. We can verify if the DNS is propagated with the website dnschecker.org. Put the domain name here, then select error code, then click on search. If everything is working properly, you will see the new IP address that is ending with the 59. Now let us check the website by going to the website. Now we got a Cloudways default message. Let us go back to the Cloudways page. Click on the applications. We have this website here. Let's create an SFTP user. We can give the SFTP user same name as domain name. This will be the SFTP username, and we need a password. Paste the password and click on add. Now the SFTP is created. To connect the SFTP, we need to use the IP address of the server. The server IP address you can find by clicking on the service, and this is the IP address. Port will be 22. User, this is the username, and password. Let us try to connect using FileZilla. Copy the IP and paste on the first text input box, then username, next password, and for the port type 22. Click on Quick Connect. Then it will ask for the key verification. You can click on Always Trust. Then click on OK. We are now connected to the SFTP for the website. Double click on public_HTML. We have an index.php here. Let us edit that file. Right click edit. This is the default file. I changed the text to welcome to Cloudways. Save it. And then FileZilla will detect the file is changed, so it asking us to upload the file. Click on yes. Now if we go to the website, you will see under maintenance. Okay, we need to do one thing before we can see the website. Initially, when we add an application, here click on the applications, you see the website. This is the application URL. You need to go to this URL to see the website. This domain not yet configured with this website. For that, we need to click on domain management. Here you need to add the domain name. Save changes. We have added the domain name without www. So if you refresh this domain name, it will see our welcome to Cloudways. Add the domain name with the www also here. Click on save change. Next, what we need to do is install the SSL certificate. Let us see what happens if you type HTTPS domain name. It is showing your connection is not private. We don't have an SSL installed for this domain. To install the SSL, click on the SSL certificate. Here you need to enter an email address, then domain name. Then we need SSL for www also. Click on add domain. Then type www domain name. Here you need to put email address. Click on install certificate. Now cloudways is installing Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Now the SSL is installed. Next it is asking us to enable HTTPS. That will redirect HTTP URL to HTTPS. Click on enable HTTPS. That will do the redirection. So let us see if the site is working with HTTPS now. Refresh the page. It is working with HTTPS. You can see the log. Click on the log to see the SSL details. We have Let's Encrypt SSL issued on 9 July 2021. It will expire on 7 October 2021. Let's go back. Enable HTTP redirection is done. Let us click on the close. Auto renewal. This will automatically renew the Let's Encrypt SSL. We can manually renew also. For that, click on the Renew Now button. If you don't want the SSL, you can revoke it. Account details page also show the MySQL details, database name, username and password. Now you need to upload your web application using SFTP to the public_HTML folder. That is how you set up a website in cloudways. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.